Hey everybody, Claude Pelanne, Affiliate Starting Line. Welcome. This is video 3, part 3 of ScreenFlow. I just hit the record button. I'm gonna get into ScreenFlow, and we're gonna do an open file, and we're gonna come into ScreenFlow Demo, and we're gonna open that. And here it is. This is a video I made. It is around 2.5 minutes long, and it's what I'm using to do the video series. So you'll see right now that, just to quickly recap, you have the screen preview area. That's what the people at ScreenFlow call this. You can hit the play button.
Hey, Claude Pelanne here, Affiliate Starting Line.
So that's the screen preview. Down below, I call it the audio video channel area. They call it the timeline because it has a timeline here. There's this cursor that goes back and forth. That is called the scrubber. And then on the right hand side here we have the palette. I call it the palette. They call it I think the project area. I forgot what it is exactly. They call it the actions area, video properties area. That's what they call it. I call it the palette. In the second installment, you learn how to use this media section here. You can drag and drop videos, screen captures, graphics in here, and then you can just literally drag it down to your audio channel area, your timeline, and like that. And then it'll appear, in this case, I just dragged it into the audio channel, that sort of thing. So that's what that does. Let's cut it. So anyway, now the next video, this one, is going to be about text. How do you insert text into your files? So let's take a look. If I want to insert text, I will click on this T icon, and it'll bring up the palette here for text. Down here is the Add Text box. Click it. And now you're going to see appear in your screen this text box right here. And you can move it around. And when you do, you'll see these yellow crosshairs that show you the center of the screen. So I'm going to show you how I do it. I move it down because I do lower thirds. You can move it anywhere in the screen you want. Okay, then I come up over here and there's the font menu. You can go down here and click whatever font you like. I like Tahoma. I click Tahoma. I will begin with a default size of 36 pixels. Here you can do your alignment. I like to center in the box. Okay, solid color, I leave that alone. I want the background of the box to be a light gray, so I come down here to the colors and I select a light gray. You'll see the box is now gone light gray. And then that's it. Now when I want to insert text, I insert text, and here I'm going to put, this just operates like a ScreenFlow video series, part 3, text insertion. I hit return, and then I'm going to put my ID. I am going to solid color background. We've fixed that. Now you see this round pixels. You can round the edges of your box. I like to round it at between 50 and 60%. You'll just see now everything went rounded here. Now what I do is I click on the main preview file, unclick it, click back here, and then I move this into position. I can toggle it up and make it bigger with my mouse toggle here. And I like it a little, if you can make it as big as you'd like. Now you're going to notice that down here in the channel area, it has input my text box. So and it's showing that it's starting up right at the beginning of the video. You can move this around. You can insert it wherever you want. In this case, I move it in about 2-3 seconds into the video. It says 3 seconds there. I then drag it out, and you can drag it, and by dragging it here, you can make it as long or or as short as you want. 3 seconds a minimum. I usually drag mine out to about 20 seconds. That's a long time by TV standards, but you know what? It's branding. So, and then I come down here, and there's a little drop down here that I select, and I like to add a fade in and a fade out to my lower thirds. So now watch what happens. We're going to hit play.
Hey, Claude Pelanne here, Affiliate Starting Line, and welcome.
It fades up.
This is going to be a video about ScreenFlow. ScreenFlow is a piece of screen capture software produced by Telestream, and it is used to create videos online. It is a Mac application
thing, and it faded out. Now, I like to bookmark the beginning and the end with my lower third. So it's still selected here. Okay, I'm going to do a Control-C. I'm going to move my cursor right down here. I'm going to do a Control-V. And it didn't take it, so let's go back. Control-C, Control-V, there it is. Okay, so that's how you copy. And what it does is it replicates so that at the very end of my video,
ScreenFlow.
And then down below here, it'll pop up again.
An icon that
it'll
shows
run for 20 seconds.
Stay well, and I'll be talking to you soon. This is Claude Pelanne at Affiliate.
It fades out, and you're done. So that's how you use and insert text, a lower third, into your file. Now you can put this box anywhere you want. You know, if I want to set it up at the top, I can do that. I mean, you can set it up anywhere you'd like. You can do certain adjustments with it, which we can show later. But right now, this is the simplest way to insert text and lower thirds into your video. That's it. So to recap, we picked the text icon. We went into the drop down and set our fonts. We set the font size. We changed it later as we made it bigger here. We centered it. We came down and selected a background color, and then we rounded out the edges, and we put in a fade in and a fade out. We did a Control-C, copied it to the end of the clip, dropped it in, and that's it. So I hope this video has been helpful. I wish I'd had a video like this. It would have saved me about 3 or 4 hours or more of learning how to do this. And that's it. I hope all is well. I hope this has been helpful. This is Claude Pelanne, Affiliate Starting Line. Stay with it, stay well, and talk to you soon.